Hey guys, how's it going? MD95TSI here. I have a package from Roadkill. You guys know Roadkill, my brother Butch. I did the Force One F100 Ghost drone, put the gimbal on it for him, and he went ahead and sent me this package. Butch, I see that the tape's been cut here, so they've been inside this box. But anyway, let's not wait and let's get it going. I'm on my iPhone, so you might see a cord dangling here. That's my microphone that my big brother Captain Cook gave me. I use it every time I film with my iPhone. It makes amazing difference. So let's see what Butch sent MD. Got his address scratched out here because he might not want no one to know. So, and actually, I have to do this just real quick. There's something that someone cannot see. So, brother Butch, you know what's in here, so you already know, and you do a tremendous job packing, brother. Unbelievable, brother. There's the bubble wrap. Well, let's keep it on here so you guys don't know. Alright, there you have it now. So now you guys can see. Nothing bad, just something. So let's pull out and see what we got. What? Check this out, guys. Okay. This is the MetaQ. I'm not sure. MetaQ 323. I'm almost sure. Roadkill has quite a few of these guys, and man, he flies this thing, and it is amazing. Man, it's quick too. Got big old brushless motors on them, like your Tarantula X6 would have. It has a camera. Pop that out. So Butch, I really appreciate this, man. This is really nice. And guys, this is brand spanking new. Like I said, he's got quite a few of them. Look at the pack that it comes with. Nice. I think it comes with a big old pack. Yeah. Wow, dude, I could see why this thing is a beast. And your camera has tilt. Check that out. You can tilt it down. I'm sorry about this wire. Or you can roll it up. Really nice. Nice landing gear. Nice and sturdy. One thing about these that we will let you guys know. It does, when you first power it up, it does kind of want to take off on you. So you might want to be in an area where, okay, it's an altitude hold one. As you can see, the stick centers. So, you want to kind of be in an area where it's not, you know what I mean, you're going to be able to get it back off wherever it takes off to. That's the only downfall from it. It seems like it does it the first time, Butch was telling me, and then it's like it's on point after that. So we'll try it. We'll try it here in the house. That way, if it takes off, it just slaps against something. I'm really liking the propellers on it. This is a really nice setup, Butch. I never ever saw this drone until you said something about it. So let me make sure you guys are in camera. Yeah, you're in camera. You get forward there. So alright, there you go, guys. Mail call from Butch Roadkill. Thank you so much, brother. I'm gonna really enjoy this. I sure am. I really appreciate this and like this, because this is a replica of the XK251 Whirlwind, Butch, am I right? And what's cool about that is I always like that, and they got brushless motors to where these are brushed, but if you can see the can on these, they got those big motors in them, and I can feel by the way it clicks. That's why this thing handles well and is very fast. So guys, look forward to a video on this. And again, thank you, Roadkill. I really appreciate it. And guys, I'm sorry that you couldn't see everything that was in the box, but I will explain further on that for you. You will see what I'm saying, okay? So really appreciate it. Thank you so much, Butch. You're the man.